This 5-foot VEVOR commercial exhaust hood uses thick 201 stainless steel, so it feels solid, resists heat, and does not easily warp in a busy kitchen or food truck. The generous capture area spans the full length of a standard concession line, comfortably handling multiple cooktops while keeping smoke and grease from drifting into the serving space. Extra internal baffles and tripods help trap rising fumes more effectively than many basic hoods, which noticeably improves air clarity during heavy frying or grilling. 2 removable U-shaped mesh filters slide out quickly, making it straightforward to scrub away built-up grease and keep the hood sanitary between long shifts. Because the hood arrives largely assembled with sturdy hanging loops, mounting it in a trailer, concession stand, or small restaurant ceiling is relatively quick for anyone familiar with basic hardware. Its combination of durable construction, strong smoke capture, and simple maintenance makes it a versatile choice for commercial kitchens, food trucks, and mobile catering setups.